What's going on, YouTube? Got my all-in-all running pretty good right now. I'm printing off some race seats. I got something to fit in my Mitsubishi here, so I'm gonna print some off for my buddy D in his truck. That way to fit. The Lego guys kind of fit if you just kind of shove them in there a little bit, but they'll work once we get them all glued in there. And then I want to try and design a little dash for the Orlandoo Hunter. Let me put the body on real quick and I'll show you guys. Alright, here it is with the body on. Little Lego dude in there, a little race seat. It's hard to see with all my mud, but I'm going to cut my windows out and make it look like they roll down. Oh, you'll see the seats. But I'm going to print him off some. I got to order me another mirror. Yeah, so that's just what I've been doing with the 3D printer. It's been going pretty good. Just want to say like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless. See you guys in the next video.